my name is Liezel, Jeraine, Agosto. I am from Asingan Pangasinan. I am 16 years old and I'm studying at Alim Christian Academy.
And let me show you my talent. My talent is drawing. I can do both traditional and digital. Also, I can paint. But I just do this when I'm not that lazy and I have a lot of time. By the way, since I can do digital, I can also animate. And here are some of my examples. Hope you like it.